Hello, ladies! I've got my Ants Canada shirt on and I'm ready to rock. We are going to continue to talk about marine mammals. This time we're going to talk about order Pinnipedia, or what I'll call the pinnipeds. So if we look at these guys, so we've got the pinnipeds, and we've got the whales, and we said, do kings play chess on, right? That's order. And so, the domains are going to be the same. They're going to be Eukarya. The kingdoms are going to be Animalia for both. The phylum's going to be Chordata. They both have a backbone. And the class, this is class, it's going to be Mammalia. It's the order where they split. So we would have Pinnipedia for the pinnipeds, and remember we'd have Cetacea for the whales. Otherwise, these are shared. So that kind of tells you how they're related to each other. And we should probably talk about some characteristics of pinnipeds. For example, they mostly live in cold water. The exception is the Hawaiian monk seal. So for the most part, they live in cold water. Monk seals are the exception. To that end, their closest land relative are the bears. Remember that mammals evolved on land, and it wasn't until later that they evolved to live in the water. One way you can tell a pinniped is their legs have become flippers. Remember, water is cold. Even if you're in Hawaii, the water is 80 degrees, but your body is 98 degrees. So even in that warm water, you'll lose heat to the ocean. And these guys live in much colder water. So you can think of like a seal, and it has, we'll say, 95 degree body temperature. That's approximately right. I don't know that's exactly right. And if the water temperature is 50, wow, they're going to lose a lot of heat. One way that they prevent this heat loss can be prevented by having thick fur, and there are such things as fur seals, or thick blubber, which is fatty insulation. And then a last thing I should tell you is that pinnipeds reproduce only on islands. And they do this to avoid land predators like bears, which tend to be on the mainland but tend not to be on islands. So remember, there are 3 groups of pinnipeds. The first group is the crawling seals, and that includes the true seals, like harbor seals or gray seals. Then we have the walking seals. Walking seals. Things like sea lions and fur seals. And then the weirdest of the group, we have the walruses. And 2 things you should know about walruses. Only 1 species, and only found in northern hemisphere. It's only found in the northern hemisphere. All right, ladies, that's all I got for today. Hopefully you're doing amazing.